all complete. So it took me almost an hour to put this together, but I'm impressed because, like I said, I'm not very good at putting things together. So you've got a space here where you can pull these down. There's a magnet, and these can be for your toilet paper holders, which is pretty cool. And then up there you can put some towels and whatnot. It's just going to help kind of organize the bathroom a little bit. You can put extra things on this basket as well, and you've got a little hanging thing over here, so it's pretty easy to put together. Like, if I can do it, anybody can, I promise. The one thing I do want to point out is in the instructions, when you're putting these parts together, it tells you not to forget to put these two parts, 12 and 13, on there, but they don't actually tell you what to do, so I actually had to go back and unscrew to put these in, so make sure you pay attention to that when you're putting it together. It does come with a set of anchors. If you want to anchor it to the wall and make it more sturdy, you can do that. And it has a really nice L screw, which is very ergonomic, and I wish every L screw was like that. So yeah, super easy to put together. Let's get it in the bathroom and see how it looks. But this is a really cool bathroom organizing shelf. Check it out.